you're editing on the go, from airports, cafes, or client shoots, you already know the pain of slow renders and overheating laptops. The good news? 2026 laptops are absolute monsters. We're talking desktop-level power packed into machines you can carry in your backpack. So today, we're breaking down the top laptops for video editing on the go, from Apple's new M4 Pro Beast to creator-focused machines that redefine performance. Let's start with the Apple MacBook Pro M4 Pro 2024. And let's be honest, this one's become the gold standard for content creators. It features Apple's M4 Pro chip with a 12-core CPU and 16-core GPU, meaning Final Cut Pro, Premiere Pro, or DaVinci Resolve all run buttery smooth, even when layering 8K footage or color grading HDR clips. The 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display delivers cinematic contrast and true-to-life colors, perfect for checking highlights and shadows. Plus, with 24 gigabytes unified memory, 512 gigabytes SSD, and the efficiency of macOS, you can edit longer without worrying about thermal throttling. It's thin, silent, and ridiculously reliable, ideal for creators who move fast and demand precision. Check the link in the description for the MacBook Pro M4 Pro. If you want raw power that laughs at any timeline you throw at it, meet the Razer Blade 18. This thing packs the NVIDIA RTX 4090 GPU, Intel Core i9-14900HX CPU, and a 4K 200Hz display. Yes, 4K, on an 18-inch screen. It's basically a mobile editing studio for people who need extreme performance. From Red Raw to multicam 8K workflows. It's got Thunderbolt 5 ports, a 2TB SSD, 32 gigabytes RAM, and an advanced cooling system that keeps it whisper quiet even under heavy renders. And because it's Razer, you get that sleek chroma RGB design, all performance, no compromise. Check the description for the Razer Blade 18, the ultimate editing laptop for power users. If color accuracy is your obsession, you'll love the GIGABYTE AERO 16 OLED. It features a 16-inch 4K OLED display, 3840 by 2400, with 100% DCI-P3 coverage, meaning what you color grade on screen is exactly what you'll see in final export. Powered by an Intel Core i9-13900H and NVIDIA RTX 4070 GPU, this laptop handles complex projects without a hiccup. You get 32 gigabytes DDR5 RAM and a 1TB SSD, all inside a slim aluminum body that feels professional and premium. It's also Windows 11 Pro ready, with creator-focused tools like AI-assisted color calibration and ultra-quiet operation for studio environments. Perfect for editors, colorists, and visual artists who demand perfection. Find the link for the AERO 16 OLED in the description. Now, if you're a professional editor, motion designer, or filmmaker, the ASUS ProArt P16 might be the most balanced option here. Powered by the AMD Ryzen AI 9HX 370 chip, it delivers lightning-fast performance with built-in AI acceleration, perfect for speeding up effects and transitions. You get 32 gigabytes DDR5 RAM, a massive 2TB SSD, and a 16-inch 4K touch display with 100% DCI-P3 color accuracy. It also includes the NVIDIA RTX 4060, giving you GPU rendering power that rivals a desktop setup. This thing is designed for creators, from its precise pen input support to its color tune panel that's ready for post-production straight out of the box. Check out the ASUS ProArt P16. It's a content creator's best companion. And for editors who live out of their backpack, meet the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 2-in-1 Aura Edition. This one's all about versatility. It's lightweight, durable, and comes with a 14-inch 2.8K OLED touchscreen that's gorgeous for both editing and reviewing clips. Powered by the Intel Ultra 7258V processor, 32 gigabytes RAM, and 2TB SSD, it easily handles 4K footage on the go. It even comes with a yoga pen for timeline scrubbing, drawing, or precise masking. With Wi-Fi 7, an 8-megapixel infrared camera, and 360-degree hinge design, it's perfect for quick edits during travel or on-set previews. Link in the description for the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 2-in-1 Aura Edition. So there you have it, the top laptops for video editing on the go, 2026 edition. All the links are in the description. Choose your weapon, start editing, and let your creativity move as fast as you do.